Nice and relaxed here. Gonna go nice and easy today, nothing ridiculous. Good, right there. Come towards me a little bit. Okay, just right. Good. And that's probably where shoulder blade stuff's coming from. Yeah.
All right, Black. Take a deep breath for me. All the way out.
Watch.
Good. Good.
Wouch.
All right, take a big breath in, sir. All the way out. Here we go. And again, big breath. All the way out, please. Let it go. All the way. Good. Good. Right up here. Relax. Other way. Good. Good. And over here.
All the way out. Here. Better?
Mm-hmm.
You retired. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Good. Perfect. All right. Let's go. Move down towards your feet a little bit. I'm going to do a drop table for you. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Two more. Deep breath. All the way out. And last one. Deep breath. All the way out.
A nice deep breath through your nose. Relax it. Oh yeah. Home run. Felt that one all the way down, didn't you? Oh yeah. There we go. Okay, now let me just have your head in my hands. That's it. Very good. And then the lower thoracics. Here. There we go. Good. And exhale for me. There we go. Okay.
Okay, relax here for me. Very good. Good stuff. Relax right here for me. Okay, let's try this one more time here. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, relax right in here. I'm going to get some movement right in here. Very good. All right, right in here. Relax here for me. Excellent. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Let's try one more right over here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Excellent. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Very good. Leg facing the opposite way for me. Very good.